In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Copilot to Google Chrome sidebar. By the end, you'll have Copilot just a click away in a handy sidebar, ready to help while you browse. Start by opening Google Chrome. Look to the top right of the browser and click the extensions icon, which looks like a small puzzle piece. This opens a quick menu showing your installed extensions and a link to manage them. From that menu, choose Manage Extensions. This takes you to Chrome's extensions page, where you can see everything you've installed and access the Chrome Web Store. On the extensions page, click Chrome Web Store, or you might see a button labeled Discover More Extensions. Either option will take you to the store where we can add the Copilot sidebar. In the Web Store search bar, type Copilot sidebar for Chrome. Using that exact phrase helps bring up the right tool faster, especially if there are lookalike results. From the results, select an extension such as Copilot sidebar for Chrome. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one before installing. Check the name, the icon, the developer or publisher, and skim the description and reviews. Also, glance at the permissions it requests, so you know what access it needs to function. When you're confident you found the right one, click Add to Chrome. A small prompt will appear. Click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install it, and you'll see a brief confirmation near the top right when it's done. Next, let's make it easy to find. Click the extensions puzzle icon again, locate the Copilot extension in the list, and click the pin icon. Pinning places the Copilot button directly on your toolbar so you can open it in one click. Now, click the Copilot icon on the toolbar. This opens Copilot inside Chrome as a sidebar on the right. The first load may take a moment, and you might see an introduction or quick tips from the extension. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account to unlock Copilot's features. Complete the sign-in only through the official window and avoid sharing any login details on screen. Finally, test it while browsing. Open any website, then click the Copilot icon again to make sure the sidebar appears and responds. Try asking a quick question or referencing the page you're viewing to confirm it stays active as you navigate. If the panel collapses, just click the icon to bring it back. And that's how to add Copilot to the Google Chrome sidebar, similar to what you see in Microsoft's browser. Thanks for watching.